Arguing an ignorant person is like humiliating yourself. A wise leader always considers about gains and damages in his decisions. The most ignorant people in the world are those who fight among themselves for their different pharaoh leaders instead of their common rights. A spy can defeat an entire army of enemy, and a traitor can humiliate his entire nation with defeat. If you want to destroy any nation without war, make adultery or nudity common in the young generation. Lord, protect me from my friends. I can take care of my enemies. Hunger is very heavy. Under right to knowledge, wisdom, intellect, thought all die. Learn to fight against the oppressor. The oppressor is not as powerful as your silence makes him powerful. When someone loses their love for you, they will first change their attitude and change their tone. There is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. It supersedes all other courts. The most despicable person is the one who knows the truth and still stands with a lie. Subscribe. Revolutions always bring young people, but in a society where young people follow the path of plunder, there's nitrogen monoxide revolution, but slavery.